It just came out wrong. Yeah, you know I can relate, cause my people's skills ain't great. And he gets that he can come up as selfish, but he just wants to get established, and then he'll be the nicest. He said, it's fine, I'll be nothing but giving. When I got that life, I wanna be living. Are you high? Are you high? Are you high? You're smiling all of the time. I ain't sucking no lemons, it just looks like it. Yeah, I know, ain't life a dick? Goddamn, are you high? Are you high? Are you high? And let me talk about it. If pats on the back and saying chill out don't work either, maybe put him in the freezer, crank up the meter.